Okay, welcome back everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining also our free online lesson. So in this free online lesson, I'm Shafiq Farhan. So I will do presentation about Inventor Structure with detailing. So how we can do detailing for our structure, right? So before I go in these topics, so let me demonstrate you to our website first. So this will be a ACAD system website. So if you require any information, or if you want to know about ACAD system, so you can go to acadsystems.com. So just type in acadsystems.com at this address bar. So it will bring you to our website. So we are Autodesk Gold Partner. So we did a lot of free online lesson. So this week, so this will be the topic for this week, or the last topic. Okay, and yesterday also we did some topic about Revit. So you can join our all these free online lesson for free. Right, so don't forget to share. If you join from our Facebook, don't forget to share, click on the share button, okay, and make sure that other people also can join this free online lesson. So let me go straight to our agenda for today. So this will be example for a structure detailing. So you can create your structure using either you want to use a Plan 3D to create a structure. Okay, and also if you require to have Revit to create a structure, also can be done. Okay, so Inventor also have ability to do a structure. Okay, so these things we call it as a frame design in Inventor, frame generator. So we are able to do many type of structure. Okay, but the problem here, so in Inventor, are we able to do a detailing? So that will be the most common question that are people asking using Inventor. Right, so I will demonstrate about this product bundle first. In product design manufacturing collection, so we did have Inventor Pro, also AutoCAD, which include Plan 3D to do structural. Okay, and other most, what I can say that we have almost 23 software. So around 23 software that you can access when you purchase this type of bundle. Okay, so if you want to do same modeling concept, which is using another software, so you can try to use this Fusion 360. So this will be the most similar software like Inventor just now. So let's go to the Inventor software. Right, so our objective for today, basically we are focused to create how we are able to do something like this and something like this, or any types of detailing that you require. So Inventor, basically we can do this thing, but what I can say is, so everything on this thing are created manually. Okay, for example, I want to create this plate. This one of the plate here is manually created and using normal parts. And for the bolt connection, this one are directly using Inventor bolt connection setting, bolt connection features. Okay, so I will start from zero. So if you want to do a structural, for sure you need to have at least the conceptual modeling for the structural base. So you can start with creating one standard part, the IPT part. Okay, this one is depends on how complex you want to do your structure. So why I suggest you to start with this thing, because of later on if you want to change the dimension, so very easy to use this thing. Okay, you can use a parameter and then change everything here. So I just need to go to any plane, just right click and then create a new sketch. So for example, I just want to create one straight line with a 750. Okay, and then create 500 with distance here. Okay, another line 500. Okay, in case I want to add more line, so then no problem. You can just directly click something like this. Okay, just need to draw a line. Doesn't matter what type of line. So for example, the next one, I just want to insert here. Okay, so just need to put the dimension. So if you want to put dimension, for example, this 500, I want to make sure that this dimension will keep follow this dimension later on. So I just need to click here and then hit OK. And just control the height over here. So this one also want to make it just the same. Right, so this have some. Okay, then I just need to do some construction line here. Just change this thing as a construction line and make sure the point is snapped together. This one also, the point is snapped together. Okay, next, after you're done with create any sketch, any type of sketching, so you are able to do your frame design directly. So just need to save this file. Okay, STFOL, for example, this one. So for the structural modeling, we need to use assembly file. Okay, and then open your IPT there. Okay, place your IPT on your assembly. So click new. So this one you can choose, either you want to choose a standard or Wellman. So my recommendation for structural, you just need to use this standard first. So later, when you already create the what we call the plate later on, so then you want to do the Wellman, then you just need to choose the Wellman. So click here and then hit create. Right. So now I just need to do the simple step of placing item, STFOL, hit OK. So normally we will face this kind of issue. Okay, whenever that we insert our item, so in our IPT, our view, our home view, which is from here, top, front, right. But when I go to this assembly, my home view already changed to front, bottom, right. So you just need to do the changes here. Click on here, zoom in, top, front, right, hit here, and fit to distance. Click on this button, set current view as home, fix distance. Okay, to access the things, so you just, to access the frame design, so you just need to go to this design tab. Okay, so over here, you will see frame panel. Okay, since we not insert any frame yet, so all will be gray out over here. So whenever that you want to insert anything, so you just need to click on this insert frame. So this software Inventor remind me to save our file first. So I just click save, FOLSTAC. Okay, before I do selection of my line, so I just need to specify the category, the family, the size of my frame that I require, the beam that I require. So for this case, I just want to use this concept first, the first concept here, the square. I just need to click this thing, choose what standard that I require, for example, GIS, and then can choose anything here. So, but if you want to use any type of standard also, ISO also can be done. So go to here, change the standard and change the size 40 to 40. For example, I just choose, or this one is a rectangle. I just want to use a square. Okay, 40 to 40. Okay, times thickness. Hit here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and just hit OK. Hit OK and OK again. So the structure will be automatically created in your Inventor. Okay, but we face a few issues over here. Okay, the first issue is that this joint is correct. Okay, and they will have also intersection between the beam. Okay, so I click here. This will be the first beam and this will be the second beam. So these two items are intersect together here. So that's why we need to have all these type of button. Okay, the first concept, if I want to do the joining here, I can use meters. So meters, click 1 and 2, hit OK. So now my structure already created here. Okay, so this one already good. But for this case, I don't want to use this kind of joint. For example, Okay, and then I just need to do this thing. First step, I just need to trim. Select on this face first, and then select the members, which is this one. So if I want to insert any offset value, I just need to click here, any offset value, 5 mm. Okay, you will see that these members will have some offset here. Hit OK. So next, I want to extend this beam to here. So what I need to do, just use the same command, which is a trim or extend to this face. So this member, 0 offset. Hit OK. Right? So now great already over here. So same goes to this side. If I require to have this thing, then I just need to do the same thing. Trim, face, and object. Okay. Right. So now for the detailing, for this case, I don't want to, if suddenly you want to change anything, so you just need to go back to this beam. So make sure that you expand your frame, look for the beam, and just edit these things to 0. Okay, and then try to create your plate over here. So how to start creating your plate? So if you want to start create your plate, so you can use this concept, which is assemble, create part. Okay, I just need to click create, use whatever template that I require. So for this case, I prefer to use matrix template. So I just click on this matrix. Okay, matrix, standard MMIPT, hit OK. Okay, just name it as a plate FOL01. Hit OK and choose the face. So for this case, I just want to directly create some sketching here. I just need to rotate a bit and look for the plane. Okay, change to wireframe because I want to get the insert line. Okay, so the inside area line, and can do the project geometry. So 1, 2, 3, and make sure that all these things you just make it as a construction thing. Okay, so change the object line to construction line. So hit this button to create the box. Okay, so for this case, I just want to change this value to 40. And so if you see that the line is not in a blue color, the line is not in a green color, the black color. So you just need to make sure that your line are constrained together. So you click on this collinear constraint, this line, okay, the reference that I said just now, and this line. So it'll change to black color. And hit finish sketch. So you can now extrude your plane here. So this one, I just want to extrude 5 mm. Hit OK. So this plane are not required anymore. Then I just can right click and tick the visibility. So now I just can continue create another plane. Okay, so over here. So I just need to click again, create, choose here, and just directly create the box. So this one is 40 and 32. This one is not 32. So this one, because I don't know the length, so just need to click on this line, collinear again, 1 and 2. Finish sketch. Okay, extrude. 5 mm also. So if you're done with this step, okay, you can also insert the bowl here. So how to insert a bowl? First step, you need to have a hole. Okay, just click on this hole button, hole features here. So select the position. So I just select anywhere first. So for this case, I want to use 8.4. Okay, and the face that I require to cut here basically is to something here. Okay, since this one is a different object, then I cannot select that the object. Okay, 8.4. Okay. Yep. After do the selection, now you can edit the sketch. So click on this area, sketch. So over here, you are able to move your sketch, your point, or you also can do something like this. Another line. Okay, use coincidence parameter constraint here. Click on this midpoint and this point. Finish sketch. Okay, then this object already done. Okay, again, visibility. So just repeat the same process. So since this one have two different plane, then we need to do twice. So again, click again, go to sketch, select surface, which is the top one, sketch, and draw some line to get the reference for the midpoint. Okay, so some cases you will face this kind of issue. Okay, so you will face they will have automatic create one more point. So then you can just directly create again properly here. Okay, but the one is okay. So I just need to go to here, hit coincidence from this middle point. Okay, middle point to this point. That. Okay, if you're already okay with your design file here, so then you just can directly delete this line. Hit OK again. Okay, click on the return button. So you already have your structure and you already have your plane. Okay, to do a bolt connection, we need to make sure that all this area need to have a through hole. So I just need to go to this design, use directly bolt connection. So this software will help us directly to generate a hole. So start plane should be on here. Circular reference will be at here. Termination will be at the backside. So I just need to change to 8 mm since I choose 8 mm such right. So, but the problem is this software will create the ISO drill hole with a normal. If I want to change, so I just need to click on this button, 3 dots from normal type to a closed type. Okay. Same goes to here, normal to close. Okay. Hit OK again. Okay, then you want to repeat the process. You just need to repeat the process to do a bolt connection. So click on this bolt connection, one, circular reference, and the end. Okay, after you done do the selection, you can click on this area to add a fastener, to add a bolt, nut, and washer. So just need to click here. So for a first time, normally it will take time to load the catalog. So this one is on your content center data. So basically, you also able to generate your own content center. Okay, so for this case, I just use built-in in Inventor. So start with bolt. Click at the lower click to add a fastener button. So they will have two. One for this side. Okay, so this click to add is for this side, the right side. Another button is for the left side, front and back. Okay, so just click again, click to add fastener. So in this case, I don't want to put any washer. So I just need to change from this washer to nuts. Okay, and then directly choose whatever type of nuts that I require. Okay, so for example, I just choose this thing and hit OK. Done for my structure. Okay, next, the same process for this area. So instead of repeating these things, so what if suddenly I change my screw size? So I said that, oh, this one is too big. Okay, if I plan to change the size, okay, first you need to change the hole. Am I right? So you just need to go back to your drawing here, your part here, right click, edit. Okay, look for the hole and just right click, edit features. Okay, this one I just need to change to 6.4. Again, for another one, you can also do. Okay, after I change the size, the screw are not changing. So when I go to the wireframe, this line already becomes smaller, but the screw is not follow the exact one. Okay, I need to do 2 steps. Okay, the first step, I need to change the frame hole also. Okay, for the frame, I just need to look for what is the frame here. Okay, this type of frame. Okay, this number, this part number. Okay, and then I just need to right click, edit also. Okay, you will see also this hole. So this one, you just need to change the dimension also. 6.4. Basically, this one you can link between your plate and your structure. Okay, same goes to the end. So I just need to right click, edit features, 6.4. Okay. Hit return, still not change. So I just need to go to this whole connection, right click, and then either I want to choose this change size, also can. Okay, so just hit OK. Right? So this one already changed, follow the exact size. So that's how we work with the simple concept of detailing with Inventor. Okay, structural detailing with Inventor. Right, so what if I have a bit more complex item? So if I have top and bottom, so the process will be the same. Okay, so I just repeat from scratch again, create, use matrix here, standard IPT, plate 02. Okay. On this phase, repeat the process. We want to, our objective is to make sure that we are able to do what we call a boom. So if you lump sum in one part, then it will be problem. So now I just create one by one. This one for bottom and for the top. So later we will just need to do a mirror or copy. Okay, 40, enter, and extrude. Fine. Done. Okay. So this side, and if you require to have the whole, just do the same process. Okay. Okay. Same goes to the top one. If I need to create the top area, so just repeat the process. So if I want to create a bit smaller, also can. Extrude. Okay, and create code. Okay, done. So return. Okay, so this concept a bit different because we already have here. So how to make it this one go to top also? So then this one is very straightforward. You just need to do a mirror. Okay, so click on this mirror features, mirror pattern. So I want to mirror a component which is this component. Okay, but the problem is I need to have this plane. Okay, so I just need to click on this mirror plane. Okay, try to look for your structure. So that will be the first or fourth structure here. Okay, so I just need to click on this YZ plane and hit next. Okay. Okay, already become something look like this. Okay, to cut the structure, just do the same things. Bolt connection, this one again, and termination. Okay, so this one I should have 6 mm, and I just need to change to close. So by default, it will go to a normal type. So then I just need to change into close type. Okay, 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 okay again. And then again, bolt connection 1, 2, and 3. So a bit quick tips that I want to share for bolt connection. Okay, never click something like this. So don't click this face, this circle. Don't. So this one is not recommended. So my recommendation is to the face for okay for the hole. Okay, don't click on this circle here. Click on the face. Okay, and termination. Okay, so now you can just click to add fastener to insert whatever that you have. The 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 bolt or the nuts. Okay, you just need to click here to add everything here. Okay, so first check on what type you require. So click here and click another one for anything here. Okay, the nuts. Okay, choose whatever types of nuts that appear here. Okay, and then hit OK. Okay, some cases you don't want to have this extra thing here. Okay, you want to change your nuts, your bolt into a different size, a different length. So you just need to right click, change size, and then use the same diameter, change the nominal length, hit OK. It will change the nominal length to here. So make sure it will cover here. If not cover, then you cannot screw the bolt. Okay, so that's basically how we work with this. We call it as a frame generator and bolt connection. So is that possible to do a complex things, a complex modeling of structure? Yes, it possible, but it will consume a lot of time if you use Inventor. Okay, basically Inventor is a software to create a 3D modeling for mechanical products. Okay, it's not more focused on this thing, but no problem if you already work with Inventor. And then if you require to create a simple structure detailing, then you can just use Inventor. But Autodesk have one more solution. We call it as an advanced steel. Okay, that you can export your Inventor or your Revit or your Plant 3D structure to advanced steel, and then advanced steel able to do all these things easily. Okay, you can try to have a look on advanced steel features. So maybe later I can do one topics on structure detailing for advanced steel. Okay, you can join our pre-on lesson again. Okay, so this will be the topics that I want to share. So if you go back to our sample here, so what you can do here. So if I plan to create this kind of joining, so no problem. I just need to create a plate. Make sure that all these items I need to trim with a distant thickness here, and then create a plate and directly do the bolt connection over here. Okay, same goes to others. Okay, this will be the normal concept, right? Okay, so they will have plate and another plate with a bolt connection. In certain case, you need to have this kind of welding. Okay, and then what you can do basically, so you can just go back to your software. Okay, so you just can go to your part. Okay, so you just can do fillet. Okay, so if you want to make it manual method, you can use this fillet. Okay, but basically Autodesk also have one features, we call it as a Wellman. Okay, this object can be opened using Wellman. Okay, I can just directly create new Wellman here. So, but I need to make sure that these two objects are in a separate body. So this second extrusion, I just need to change, edit features, make it as a new solid. So already become, okay, already become something like this as a new body. So one body and another body. And now easily can do a Wellman when we use the features. So just to show you one thing, whenever that you open this Wellman features, so you click open, okay, and then you want to open the file or you want to place a file, okay, then you can just directly insert a file here. Okay, go to assemble, place this plate, for example. I just choose this plate, for example, here. Okay, and then for this plate, I just need to turn off all the plane. Okay, so go back to this well app here at this top, which is well preparation, then can do the fillet well over here. Okay, so then you can do the outcome something like this. Right, so that will be the things that I want to share for today. Thanks everyone for watching.